lesson is about polygons. The word part poly means many, and the word part gon, I just looked it up in a Latin book, means angle. So many angles, but usually when we define polygon, we say it's a many-sided figure. A many-sided closed figure. Okay, so polygon, many-sided figure. These are some pictures of different polygons that I know that you probably learned when you were in 5th or 6th grade. You've already studied triangles with 3 sides. 4 sides, it has a square. 4-sided figure is a quadrilateral, and we're going to talk about quadrilaterals more in a minute. Pentagon, 5 sides. The prefix P-E-N-T means 5. Hexagon, 6 sides. H-E-X means 6. A 6-sided figure like the opening to a bee's cell. If you've ever looked at a piece of honeycomb or a bee's nest, you may notice that the openings are 6-sided. The cells are 6-sided. It's a very strong structure, a 6-sided structure. Heptagon, 7 sides. Octagon, 8 sides. Octo meaning 8, like an octopus. 8 sides like a stop sign. Nonagon, 9 sides. Decagon, 10 sides. Undecagon, 11 sides. I think your book just wants you to be responsible for quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, and decagon. So whatever your book tells you you need to worry about, that's what you need to worry about. The rest of these you don't need to worry about what an 11-sided figure is called. Okay, this diagram shows quadrilaterals. Quad means 4. Quadrilateral is a 4-sided figure. So all of these are quadrilaterals, but there are special cases, okay? Well, I'm going to go over here on the far side first. A quadrilateral that has 2 parallel sides, only 2 sides are parallel, is called a trapezoid. Trapezoids, the sides can be the same. If the slanted sides are the same, it's called an isosceles trapezoid, kind of like an isosceles triangle. But you can see the isosceles trapezoid has 2 sides that are parallel, and then these 2 sides are the same length. So trapezoid, 2 sides parallel, 2 sides not parallel. A quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay, so top and bottom and 2 sides. 2 pairs of parallel sides is called a parallelogram. That's pretty easy to remember. Parallel sides, parallelogram. And there are 3 different special parallelograms. The most obvious parallelogram you probably think about as a 4-sided figure is a rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram, 2 pairs of equal sides with 90-degree angles in the corner, right angles in the corners. That's a rectangle. A special rectangle is a square. A square also has 90-degree angles in the corners, 2 sets of parallel sides, but a square, all the sides have the same length. Okay? Another parallelogram that has sides that are all the same length is a rhombus. A rhombus does not necessarily have 90-degree angles in the corner. You can see this one, it has a acute angle here, and an obtuse angle here, and acute here, and obtuse here. But all those sides are the same length. It looks like a diamond. Okay? A rhombus does not necessarily have 90-degree angles. If a rhombus has 90-degree angles, it is a square. So a square is a special kind of rhombus. Then we have the kite over here that is just kind of different on itself. It's a four-sided figure, no parallel sides, but two sides are equal and the other two sides are equal. So side 1 and 2 are equal and sides 3 and 4 are equal in length to make a kite. And that's it.